Well, this is the bike. I can hope you can hear it. I'm on the side of the road. I left my house because if I rev up the engine, the neighbors will complain. I will start up the engine and then you can hear it. You can see the pictures I've sent you. It's a 6-cylinder engine, chromed, air filters, different rear suspension and different rear wheel. So it's not original. Small blinkers. It got trumpet exhaust that makes a lot of sound, noise. And well, I will start it up. Hope you will like it. As you can hear, it runs okay, but it does need a service because it's been standing still for a couple of years. I will rev up the engine now for you so you can hear it better. You can change the stationary engine with this little thing. You can turn it and it goes quicker. I will show you. Now the engine goes slower. Now the engine will It's a shame that my other camera, the battery is flat, because I think that's got a better sound than this one. Yeah, well, I will send the photos and the film to you, and I will hear from you, I hope. Alright, thanks, bye.